Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, remember, Tectonic token at the time of recording this have over 500 trillion coins in circulation, and the Tectonic token have 110 trillion coins in circulation, and total supply is about 500 trillion coins. Now, I think Tectonic token need to destroy about 400 trillion coins, and that will be a better way for Tectonic token to start 2023. Because for me, 500 trillion coins is a whole lot. I mean, so many people are talking about these coins. How can Tectonic token destroy these coins? It is not going to be easy for Tectonic token. If you want to compare that to Shiba Inu with over 549 trillion coins, with all the global customers they have, I mean, they have so many people have Shiba Inu, and so many crypto exchanges have listed Shiba Inu, which gives Shiba Inu a better chance of destroying their circulating supply. But yet Shiba Inu is burning about 100 or 200 million coins in a single day. So even Shiba Inu is finding it difficult to destroy that number of circulating supply and also total supply. So I don't know how I think this coin is going to do that. I don't know how Tectonic token is going to achieve that. So to me, I think they need to destroy about 400 trillion coins. What I'm trying to say is that the top owners of Tectonic token, which I know mostly are the founders, yet the developers, they are the one holding the largest part of Tectonic token. They're even holding up to 80 to 90% of the total supply of Tectonic token. So why don't they just come together and decide to join or burn some of their holdings? Because if you're expecting Tectonic token to be burning gradually, I mean, we're expecting holders to be destroying their coins by showing support. It is not going to show any effect. That is why you see that Shiba Inu itself still have over 500 trillion coins, despite the level of Shiba Inu right now. Despite people have been talking about the burning, they have a burn portal, so is because that the number of Shiba Inu holders, those that are holding the highest number of Shiba Inu, about 90%, or let's say 80 to 90% of Shiba Inu's total supply is being held by just top 50 or maximum 100. They are the one holding almost the 80 to 90% of Shiba Inu total supply. That is why even when other holders are trying to show some little support, burning few coins, that is why we are just burning 200, 100 million coins in a day, 50 million coins in a day, 200 million coins in a day, because the top holders just have the coin, they left it there, they don't even check it, they believe this coin is going to increase on its own. It's not going to work that way. So if them themselves can really come in to say they want to show support for Shiba Inu, for example, believe it, Shiba Inu would have burned more than that by today. Shiba Inu would have destroyed more than 70 to 80% of its holding, and it would have helped Shiba Inu to really increase in price. Now, same thing goes to Tectonic. If you are waiting for the fewer holders to start burning, showing support for this coin, it is not going to take the Tectonic token anywhere in terms of the total supply. So to me, I think the holders, the developer, the founders, which I believe that the one holding the largest part of the circulating supply and the total supply, they need to burn on their own. They need to destroy some of these coins on their own. So not waiting for the holders or talking about the burning, whereby the top holders are actually the ones that founded it. So to me, I think we need need Tectonic token to burn at least 400 trillion coins. Even though Tectonic token starts with 100 trillion coins in circulation, it's going to be better than having over 500 trillion coins. And believe it, this is going to help Tectonic token to increase in price, to gain more customers. I mean, many news bloggers are going to take this. That will get this coin to be more popular. I believe it, this is going to increase the price of what Tectonic token. And I believe, of course, Tectonic token, we all know, is a future coin. I want to see this coin start increasing, start pumping, so that Tectonic token holders will be at least hoping that before the end of 2025 or 2030, they believe this coin will have destroyed some number of zeros. So let's keep hoping to see what will be going on with Tectonic token. So to me, I think just like Shiba Inu that have over 500 trillion coins, Shiba Inu have more coins, more supply than Tectonic token, and yet Shiba Inu have so many crypto exchanges that have listed. Almost all the exchanges have listed Shiba Inu, and they have one of the largest community. Take a look at their Twitter followers, over 1 million. So I think if Shiba Inu can experience such thing, even with the bomb portal they have, they're still finding it difficult, then I think that the Tectonic token is going to be more difficult for Tectonic token to really destroy that number of circulating supply and total supply. So but in the other way they can do this is for them on their own to come out out and help by supporting, by destroying these coins. That is going to help Tectonic token to really destroy some number of coins. Now let's keep hoping that to see Tectonic token will increase in price. Let's keep hoping to see what will be happening soon with Tectonic token. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.